Introducing TubeTasTic, our Chrome extension.
Okay, so the reason we make an extension for YouTube is because of the current version of YouTube is so distracting for us as a user to use it, so we cannot learn many new stuff from it. And secondly, there's so many misleading videos with misleading titles, and there's so many limitations. YouTube doesn't provide enough insights for us to choose the best video. And lastly, there's a lack of personalization for us in choosing the best video.
So our Chrome extension allows us to analyze a video through Gemini, and basically we get these categories, including clickbait category, which is scored out of a 4 out of 5, meaning that it has high clickbait material based on the subtitles. And this leads me to probably not wanting to watch the full video just because it is clickbait. Therefore, we save time by using this Chrome extension.
Here we can see a couple specific examples of features we implemented. So on the left, we see the feature that allows us to ask a follow-up question based on the generative AI summary. So in this example, we were summarizing a video based on the struggles of Haskell, and the AI mentioned that the author struggled with monoids, so we asked a follow-up question, what's another thing he struggled with? And the AI said, besides monoids, the author also struggled with folds. On the right, we can see that we can ask multiple questions and even pull the generative AI for specific source material that it used. In this example, we asked, what's one specific comment that a commenter left on the video? And it gave us the username and a brief summary of what that commenter said. So now let's go over some real-world examples of using this program. I'll analyze this video because I'm thinking about watching it. First, it's going to find a transcript and then send it off to Gemini to analyze. And you can see from our results, we get an informativeness score, a bunch of other indexes, and summary, suggested title, style, topics covered. Things you'd want to know if you're going to watch a video. So now let's ask a follow-up question of, does it show examples of machine learning? And it'll run for a little bit while we pull Google servers. And it'll say, yes, the video showcases various examples of machine learning and gives us a quite wordy description of what machine learning was showcased in the video. So let's say now I want to watch this video. I've decided it's a good use of my time and I think I'll learn something from it. Now I might get distracted while I'm trying to watch the video, so we have a mode called locked in mode, which allows you to hide all the recommended videos and comments so you can't get distracted as easily. And let's turn that off so we can see another example of this. Here we have an API key that the user can just paste in, and they can get the Gemini key for free. So let's analyze this neural networks video. It gives a nice little summary, and it wasn't able to find the transcripts, but it was still able to base it off of the description, title, and top comments.
Our tech stack might seem convoluted at first, but it makes sense after you take a glance. For our Chrome extension, we use TypeScript, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Gemini API, and the YouTube API, along with one file of React. And for our website, we use Next.js, Supabase with Postgres, Clerk for authentication, and DrizzleKit ORMs. So now let's talk about future features.
Attention analysis. Using Google's Teachable Machine, we plan to determine whether users are paying attention or whether they're distracted. If they're distracted, we plan to redirect their attention back to the screen.
Since Gemini 1.5 Pro is a multimodal model, we thought about using visual processing to possibly extract more data from the video.
So break reminders. For our app will implement a reminder that will remind the user on a regular basis to stop working and take a walk or grab a drink.